Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide will give you instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware called ZEUSSEC1337. ZEUSSEC1337 is a ransomware type program that we found while inspecting new submissions to the virus total database. This ransomware is a part of the Chaos ransomware family. My video is solely for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting it. I'm showing you the negative impact of this ransomware on the files. Before the ransomware attack, you're able to open your files without any troubles. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and all other data. But regretfully, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this particular ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the computer. Then people realize that they cannot use their data because of this ransomware. This ransomware called ZEUSSEC1337 encrypts files and appends file names with a special extension that consists of 4 random characters. Pretty soon you will see the negative impact of this ransomware on the files. So these are the consequences of the ransomware attack. You try to open the specific file and you get a message saying that you cannot open the file anymore because of that random extension added. The extension is different for each specific file. And the ransomware also changes the desktop background. It says that ZEUSSEC1337 was here, something like that. The ransomware tells the victims that they should pay a special ransom for file restoration. But paying the ransom is not a good idea. There is no guarantee that your data would be restored if you pay the ransom, so don't pay it. By the way, this is the ransom note that is in the form of a HTML file. Don't pay the ransom, don't waste your money. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus immediately. Get it on the official page combocleaner.com, download the application, install the software, click on Start Scan button. The program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. Then the scanning will begin. While the scanning is taking place, please pay very careful attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. It allows you to add one or several folders on the system that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. But that feature is a part of the premium license only. Keep this in mind. Anyway, at the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of all the threats which were found on the computer. You will also be able to know the information about names of the threats, their exact locations on the system, and of course, based on the summary of threats, certain infections can be removed manually by going to their appropriate locations on the computer. But I do recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner. The premium license of Combo Cleaner will help you to effectively remove these threats and other malware from the system. And it will help to protect your files from further attacks by ransomware. The premium license, however, does not decrypt files. But Combo Cleaner will help you to remove this ransomware and to protect your data in the future.